I bet you're doing affiliate marketing without even knowing, and you're doing it for free. Let me explain you. But first, if you don't know me, hi, my name is Sanela. I am an affiliate marketer, and I'm here to help my burnout people to live and earn better. So if you're that person, follow along. Now, how many times did it happen to you that you purchased something, let's say a t-shirt, either online or at a store, and someone asked you, wow, where did you buy that? I really like it. And you're like, yeah, I bought it online. And they're like, can you give me a link? And you're like, sure, here you go. And they buy, but you get nothing when you can be earning the same way. Because affiliate marketing is just that, recommending products and earn a piece of sale. So you're not robbing anyone. The company is the one who pays you. You just simply share profit with them. 80 to 90% of all companies and brands have an affiliate program. Let me hit you with some big names. Amazon, Target, Walmart, Best Buy, eBay, Apple, Sephora, GoPro, Nike. The list goes on and on. And affiliate marketing is here since 1989, and it's going nowhere. It's the best, simplest business model out there. And it gives you freedom to choose who you want to partner with, which brand you want to promote, how you want to promote, like total freedom. And that's why I love it so much. And I know that there are still so many people who don't know what that is and what opportunities and possibilities it gives. That's why I'm so passionate about. I want everyone to know about it because it's also very profitable. People are quitting their jobs all over the world thanks to affiliate marketing. And they are living their best life and enjoy their financial freedom and location freedom. And if you want to know more about this beautiful business model, check out my free beginner's guide. And you can always DM me or leave your questions in the comments. I will answer to every single one of you. Bye.